Hey y'all, as you can tell by the title, today I'll be making pumpkin cheesecake. Okay, so I use 1.5 packs of cream cheese. Now I'm just gonna add in 2 eggs. Okay, so I'm adding 3 spoons of sour cream. So now I'm just going to be adding some vanilla extract and some cinnamon. Okay, so now it's time to add the 1 can of pumpkin. Now I'm just going to be adding some regular sugar and some brown sugar. Okay, so now that everything's in a bowl, I'm just going to be mixing everything up. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button and also make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos. Okay, so here I'm just going to be adding some more cinnamon and some nutmeg. I added a little more sugar too. Okay, now that everything's mixed up really well, I'm just going to be putting it inside of the pie crust. Okay, I'm just going to show you how it looked before I put it in the oven. This is how it looked. And then I'm just going to be putting it in the oven right now.